Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a perfume unboxing to share with you. And I have got Lookfantastic, the scent edit, and this is the second box that they've released over the last couple of months. I think it's a fab idea. If you love your perfumes, then carry on watching. Inside you'll find 6 Eau de Parfums luxury minis and also a £55 voucher which you can go onto the Lookfantastic website and redeem against any of the perfumes featured in this box. The cost of the box is £55. So essentially you're buying a perfume but getting all these little extra perfumes for free. Now I love little miniature perfumes. Behind me I've got a little tray with perfumes and I've got lots of little miniature ones there. I just find them adorable, absolutely adorable. I've got to check on this, but I'm sure the voucher can still be used if there is a discount on the perfumes, which I believe at the moment they've got up to 25% off all their perfumes. I'll pop all information down in my description and links to this box as well. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, then take a look down there. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. But this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'm on Lookfantastic's PR list, so they kindly send me these boxes so I can share with you. But yeah, let's get into showing you what's inside. Open it up. There. The box could shrink a little bit. I think it's a little bit too big. It's just a bit of a waste having a box that's so big. So inside you've got a card telling you all about the perfumes featured in the box, and you've got your voucher here with my code because I'm going to use it to get a perfume afterwards. Going through the perfumes one by one, I'm really grateful that there's information on this card. I'm not sure if there was last scent box. I'm not too sure. I don't think there was. And I am absolutely blooming useless at describing scents. Absolutely useless. Nice, not nice, yeah, fruity, floral. Can't tell you anything else. So we'll be referring to that card. So the first perfume is Olympea by Paco Rabanne, and we've got Blossom here. Now I absolutely adore Olympea Intense. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Not sure what I'm going to think of the Blossom. Look at that bottle. That is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Look. That is so, so lovely. Oh. Now I've had a quick sniff because I couldn't resist, but I'm undecided about which one I'd go for. This one is lovely. It has got a bit of a rosy scent to it, which I'm not that keen on. I don't like rose smells, but it is nice. It is nice. I'd say it's quite sweet as well. I'm going to have to try these perfumes on, like, I'll have to wear this like tomorrow, see what it's like, try the next one for the full day and see what it's like and do it that way, I think. And that's the best way of deciding which perfume I want to buy. We got 6 mils here and it says reborn with a floral twist. The Blossom Eau de Parfum combines floral and fresh notes to encapsulate feminine radiance and confidence, creating a delicate balance between power and romance. Opening with an expressive duality between petals and fruitiness, the perfume combines rose with sparkling blackcurrant, spicy and tangy all at once. The fragrance melts into frosted pear before swapping this light surface for a tender warmth. See, I'd never be able to say that. I'd never. Jean-Paul Gaultier, and we've got La Belle, and I don't own a Jean-Paul Gaultier perfume. Look. Look. Isn't that gorgeous? There. Okay. I've just done blood tests this morning. Oh, finger prick. That one is lovely. That one is really nice. I'm preferring this one to this one. Oh, it is really nice. It's a different type of scent. I don't own anything like this. Another 6 mils. It's a settle down for a cozy evening with your lover as this alluring scent radiates feminine sensuality. The Oriental Eau de Parfum features a base of sweet roasted vanilla pods caressed by nuances of white chocolate and salted caramel. Irresistible and delectable. Oh, I do really like that. Then we got another perfume by Jean-Paul Gaultier, and this is Scandal. Look how cute. A lot of smells, a lot of different smells there. I can't work out. There's a lot of different smells going on. It's very fruity. It is very, very fruity. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Do I prefer it to this La Belle? No, I think I still like the Belle. Cause a stir with the Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal perfume. This sensual fragrance is designed to make a scene and own the night. A heart of gardenia creates a powerful feminine elegance entwined with a creamy base of patchouli, black vanilla and ambrox to invoke an undeniable intimacy. The pink perfume glows against luxurious golden scents to create a chic statement. Experience the exhilarating freedom of scandal. It's such a strange scent. It's just like lots of scents in one. It is nice, it is really nice. But I think I prefer La Belle. If you've already bought this box for yourself, or if you own any of these perfumes, please let me know your thoughts and what your favourites are. Next we've got Lady Million by Paco Rabanne, and we've got 5 mils here. So 2 Paco Rabannes and 2 Jean Paul Gaultiers. Hey, look. Oh, I can't get this one off. Or is it my nails? No, I can't get this one. Oh, there. Got it, got it, got it. Okay, let's put some on my wrist down here. That is really nice. That is really nice, actually. That is so nice. It's very fruity. I love fruity floral smells. I do really like it. So it says an iconic fragrance for the iconic woman. Top notes of fresh bitter orange, sweet raspberry and neroli. Oh, I love neroli. Intertwined with floral orange, blossom and Arabian jasmine are combined with base notes of patchouli, honey and amber. The result is a fresh, playful, seductive fragrance. Yeah, I think that might be my favourite. I think that might be my favourite so far. And then lastly, I've already got a mini of this over there. This is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, and we've got 7 mils here. This is a beautiful perfume. This is really lovely. Look at the stunning bottle. Look at that. A massive stiletto, a blue stiletto. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick up the blue on the camera there. That is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I do really like that. Oh, I am torn with this box, which perfumes to go for. I'm predicting it's going to be between the Good Girl and the Lady Million. I absolutely love it. I think it is gorgeous. It's a really good size as well, isn't it? Really, really good size. Yeah, really love that. Combining fresh bergamot and lemon with delicate jasmine, tuberose, accords. The perfume is enhanced by contrasting notes of rich sandalwood and intoxicating tonka bean. This is a sensual, charismatic fragrance that blends light and dark elements to capture the complexity of the modern woman. So there you go. So those are all the perfumes inside this perfume tester box. The cost of the box is £55, and inside you get a £55 voucher so that you can use on the Lookfantastic website to redeem against any of the perfumes featured inside this box. We've got Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. We've got Lady Million by Paco Rabanne. We've got Olympea Blossom by Paco Rabanne. We've got Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle. And lastly, Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal. They're really lovely sizes. They're not too small. Perfect handbag sizes. Perfect to take away with you instead of bringing your big bottle, etc. I'm obsessed with them. I love miniature perfumes. I cannot wait to put them on my little perfume tray behind me. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the concept of this box? I think it would make a great gift for someone so that they can choose their favourite perfumes and then go on to buy the full size. Or if you're after a perfume for yourself, you're not sure what to go for, and you might have smelt a few of these perfumes before, then yeah, I do think this box is brilliant. I do really like it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.